Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked onto long range weather forecast discussion for May 9th and 21st. Models and ensembles are in agreement for May 9th and 13th and forecast a low amplitude flow for the period. The pattern is forecast increase in amplitude with the ridge along the west and the east coast. Temperatures are forecast to be 10 degrees above normal in the east and portions of the west. Temperatures are forecast to be 10 degrees below normal in portions of the Rockies and northern plains. Precipitation is forecast to be above normal for the northwest, the central and northern Rockies, and the upper Mississippi Valley, the Ohio and Tennessee valleys to the Atlantic coast. And below normal precipitation is forecast for California, the southern Rockies, and Texas. We're looking now at the period for May 12th to 16th. And most of the models here show at the beginning of the pattern, you see we have a trough here in the west, and we have a ridge here in the east. We have positive height anomalies here over Alaska and the eastern Pacific. But as we go through time, this pattern changes. So now we're going to go to the 13th, 14th, and you can see here that the negative height anomalies are starting to slide to the east, and we have a ridge with above normal heights building in, a weak ridge right there, building into California, and you see the heights are increasing here across the Aleutians and Alaska. And then we're going to jump ahead to the 17th. And here you see very strong positive height anomalies over the Aleutians and Alaska. We have above normal heights extending into the western U.S. And we have a fairly deep trough here in the eastern U.S. That's the GFS. And most of the models are showing that. It's ensembles, GFS ensembles. And it takes the heights out, and this is the European deterministics. And this is the ensembles. The European ensembles keeps a ridge here, and the trough is further back compared to the other models. Still have the positive height anomalies here, but I want you to look here at the GFS deterministics. Now they're going. Here is the GFS ensembles, and you see the difference here, what I'm talking about. Here's a GFS. Here's GFS ensembles. And I like you to see here that it has the below normal heights of trough further to the west. Now the deterministics, European deterministics has a trough here even further westward over the west central states and keeps above normal heights in the east. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for the west and the east coast, below normal temperatures here for precipitation, forecasting above normal precipitation for this region, and above normal precipitation here. Now, as we go further into our forecast period from May 17th to 21st, the models are in better agreement, and I'm going to show you this why. Okay, now we're going to look at the 17th. Most of the models here are in agreement, showing strong height anomalies over Aleutians again in Canada into the west, and a trough here. That's the GFS ensembles, but still not quite. You can see the heights are not as strong as the GFS. That's the ensemble means, and this is European. Now the European still has the strong positive height anomalies here, but has a trough still further to the west, and we have a ridge over the eastern U.S. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures for this region, and for precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation here, and above normal precipitation for the mid-Atlantic states. So that is a long-range weather forecast discussion for May 9th to 21st. Thank you for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.